Hello, dear Cashback users. I'm here to show you how to actually use the app. So once you download it from your App Store or from the Google Play Store, we will go to the Cashback app. Let's browse around, see what it's all about. First of all, let's go into your profile and check it out. So this is me. This is my ID. This is the my Cashback World payments. So totally right now at the moment, I'm collecting $3.96. It tells me when my next payment is due. It shows me how many shopping points I've collected. And if you recall, every shopping point that I collect is worth up to $15. Then you can go and see where your vouchers and deals. I'll actually click here. You can see that over here I can go to my deals, and I have actually decided to convert one of my shopping points for a $10 discount on a Segway tour at the Fun Center down here in Fort Lauderdale. Great place. And as you can see, I have earned the shopping point for free. Now I get additional 10% discount only because I'm using this program. So you can also see here my sales. So if you browse around, it will show you where I've made my purchases. Go back. You can go into the e-vouchers or purchasing the e-voucher, which I'll explain separately. So let's go back again. What else do we have here? You have my favorite shops. So the places where I shop at: Thai Spice, Maikai, Fun Center, Gambit Solutions, actually my company. It's also on the app, and my yacht sales. So those are just some of the highlights that I saved. You can also click the button here and recommend it free of charge to your friend. They can either scan the QR code, or you can copy and paste the link and share it with your friends, family, so they can also get amazing benefits of up to 5% back on their spending that they would normally do anyways, and free shopping points. So that's part one of the interface of the app. Look out for the new videos.